welcome to Spinning Know-How. I'm Sarita. Thanks for the overwhelming response of my mop and vac vacuum cleaner from Eureka Forbes. After giving the review of that mop and vac vacuum cleaner, many of my friends are asking about my dishwasher. So I plan to give a review about my Bosch dishwasher, which I'm using for the last 2 years, and it's really a useful product in this COVID era. So let's go into my kitchen and see how it works. Okay friends, let's go into my kitchen, and this is my kitchen and it's really cleaned up today, and the dishes are already washed after the lunch and settled in the dish rack. So let me take you to my cupboard. These are the first lot of dishes which come out from the dishwasher. I normally use the stainless steel. I have switched over from plastics because it is easy to use in dishwasher also, and generally also I'm not using plastic. And one more thing, that these type of kadais, aluminum kadais, I don't put in dishwasher. These I normally wash with hands only. It's a hand wash. Just I wanted this type of hard plastic hardboards can be kept in the dishwasher for washing. So in this video you will come to know about the specification of dishwasher, from which company I have bought, and is it really needful to buy a dishwasher and how efficiently it will work. To know about the working of the dishwasher, let me take you to the utility area, and this is my Bosch dishwasher. And this is the panel where you can see different options there. On and off option is there: Vario, Eco, half load, extra dry, intensive care mode, express sparkle mode, auto mode. And it is a panel where some error can be seen. And this is the Eco, quick and pre-rinse. 3 options are there, and this is the option when you want to start your cycle, and the start button and reset button also. So when you open, you will come to know, you can see the details of intensive kadai, express sparkle, auto, how much temperature it will take. Intensive kadai takes 70 degree, express sparkle takes 65, and auto, that is the Vario Eco, takes some 45 degree to 60 degree. And it is showing also that in eco mode how much temperature it takes, and quick mode it takes only 45 degree and it takes only 30 minutes. It's a half load machine wash. And when you want to start, you can set up that also, and you can reset the cycle also by pressing the for 3 seconds. So let me open the dishwasher and just see what this is. The upper rack, and down is the lower rack. It can have around 80 dishes or the vessels at one time. This is a cutlery rack. It can have the around 50 spoons altogether, and it is, if your spoons are less, you can set here also, and if it's not there, spoons are not there, you can kept it up and use it for different vessels. And you can have the 6 plates up and down also. You can have this, and it has 2 fans. See, this is one. I'm just showing why I'm showing this, that it should not obstruct, any vessel should not obstruct this fan. You have to take care. And here we have to use the salt. And this is the filter area. This is the filter, you can see. We have to wash monthly if you are using very soiled vessels. And this is, you can set up the plates here. I will show in the further video. Keep watching the video. I will show how to settle the vessels, how to set up it. So here also you can set up your cups. Here you can set up your glasses, and this is for bowls bigger, and this is, I told you that this is for the spoons if you're not using the lower cutlery one. So this is all about the internal one, and this is, when you open it, you can have this, you can put the powder from Finish brand, and this is for the rinse aid. Rinse it is basically we use so that the no spot of water should be on the vessel or the dish. So let me show one cycle which I washed, and these are the vessels which are already washed. And you just see, if you this is a lower rack, see how many plates around in down around. I have put approximately 15 plates, and these are the around 20 bowls I have kept, small plates. Plates I have put around 15, and cups are there, all the bigger and lower, all size of. You can see how I put the vessel. This is important, they are all upside down vessels. You have to keep the vessels upside down, otherwise the water will fill in this. You have to keep, yeah, you have to settle the vessels in a way it has to be in this mode, whatever I am showing, like, yeah. And this is the cutlery rack which holds around my 30 spoons in one lot. I have kept all the paltas and the spoons, and you can see the strainers how clean it is, because it washed the vessels at a degree of 70 degree or 90 degree depending on the cycle. So you will get a very hygienically clean vessels. These are the vessels which I have taken out and kept on my shelf to keep in the cupboard. So now I'll show you how to how to set up the vessels. One way is you just clean up everything from here. In this mode, if you do in this way, you have to only put the cycle for half an hour, and it is a very short cycle. If you don't want to do this process, you just directly keep the soiled vessels here, and put the cycle of intensive kadai. That will also work out. So because I had time, I just rinse all the vessels, all the plates around my, these are my thalis actually. I just set up all, you just see in a fast forward mode I am doing it. And these are around 55 vessels were there which I just kept inside. Small vessels I've already washed. These are the in the lower rack. I am going to put the bigger vessels because I don't have spoons now. I have all the dabbas and everything. This is the second round of dishwasher I am putting. If you see how I am just trying to manage that all the vessels should easily come, so I'm just making the space for it. You have to be little you have to have some patience to keep all the settlement. It takes them around 10 minutes. Now the time for the powder or the tablets. So these are the tablets of the Finish brand. One tablet for one cycle, half load or full load. I use the tablet in this cycle. This is the tablet of apple fragrance. It comes in different fragrance. You can buy it from Amazon or Flipkart. This is the Finish rinse aid. It gives a shine to the vessels, and there will be no spot of water on the vessels if you use it. It is mandatory to use it, otherwise it will gives an error on the error board. These are the instructions. You can read these instructions easily. Just closed it. Switch on the button, on and off button. Now I am going to use only half load because I don't use it more than half an hour cycle. Just go to quick. Yes, it will come to 29-minute cycle only. I'll again show that if you're using the Vario Eco, it will take 1.5 hours. But I am not using it. I am using only half load, and that too in a quick mode. So it will take only 30 minutes. So let's open and see how the vessels are washed. So this is the, let me check out first that lower one. So see, this is all cleaned up, and this one is the upper one. This is all cleaned up vessels. All are really hot. I can't touch it right now because just now the cycle, half an hour cycle, has been finished. You have to take care of one thing, that you are not supposed to, not supposed to keep the vessels like this. You always has to keep the vessels like this, else the water will retain in the vessel. Like whenever I'm keeping this bowl, it should be in this position or in this position, never in this position, never in this position, else like this or like this. Like I kept all the cups in this position. Let me check on my, see, this is my casserole. Now let's close it. I will take out after some time. Let the steam be settled. Now the time for the reviewing tip. First is you will get a super clean vessels. First the time will be saved. Third, it's silent washing. And fourth is less water consumption. And fifth is obviously a stress-free life. I'm really happy to have this dishwasher in my kitchen. This is the very useful equipment. Earlier, before COVID era, when maids were there, I was using it twice a month or sometimes thrice a month. But frankly speaking, after this COVID problem is there, maids are not available, and anyway we are not calling them also for our safety. So this dishwasher is really a boon to a life of a woman, because you don't want to spend more of your time in the kitchen. So in that case, this is really a very good equipment. So a must go. If you can afford, please buy it. If not, the matter of affordability, it's just if you can manage to buy it, please take it. It's really a good equipment, so go for it. If you are liking, or if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and please press the like button, and do subscribe my channel for further reviews of other equipments or other things, and keep in touch with me. I will keep on bringing my vlogs and other things, important informations for you. Thank you.